ìgbà díẹ̀ la ó lò níbẹ̀ òwe.
Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. This is Mission of God Parish. We are inviting you to our annual harvest, which is taking place on the 17th of July. We want you to come and enjoy God's goodness in your life. As you come, may God bless you. Thank you.
Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. My name is Professor Messiah, and I am inviting you to our harvest, which will be situated at 38 Berlin Road, SE16 3LF. It will be taking place on the 17th of July, and we would love for you to come and see the wonders of God in our lives and in your lives as well. Have fun.
Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah.
We're inviting you to our harvest, which will be taking place on the 17th of July. This month, come on.
Come and enjoy yourself.
Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. I'm Sister Janet from CCC Mission of God Parish, and I'm inviting you to our harvest titled Inexhaustible Treasure, taking place on the 17th of July 2022. Please bring your friends and family, and as you do so, inexhaustible treasure to me means unlimited blessings, unlimited abundance, overflow of joy and happiness.
Harvest means blessing, favor, joy, increase, and favors of God.
Come to our harvest to receive the mercy of God, abundant blessings, peace, joy, and all the favors of the Lord.
Abracadabra.
Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. I am inviting you to our annual. Please tell a friend to tell a friend. God bless you, and come and enjoy, and you shall be blessed.
Hallelujah. Come to our harvest.
Èrè mi ń bẹ pẹ̀lú mi láti fún olúkálùkù gẹ́gẹ́ bí iṣẹ́ wọn ti rí. Gbogbo wa ni yóò dúró níwájú Olúwa. Àti èwe àti àgbà a ó rojọ́ wà ó. Gbogbo ayé ló ṣẹ̀ tí wọ́n sì kùnà ògo rẹ̀ òye.
Ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ orúkọ Jésù yóò bá wa dá.
Torí pé